Okay, so firstly what I like about Holly's proposal is that she's going to use a mixture of established mainstream indie artists as well as upcoming. This adds a lot of variety for her target audience, and it just adds a mixture of what she can write about and the different style of people that she will be using in her magazine. Another really good point about the proposal is that her magazine is going to be very honest. This may cause some problems for a few artists who are starting up and may not be have as much help, but being honest does add a lot of, makes the magazine more down to earth and relatable for a lot of the audience and the target market. And the idea of not being paid to review an event also adds a lot of honesty and an honest opinion for the magazine. One thing I would change is the target audience age from being 16 to 35, change that down to 16 to 25, only because they're more likely to buy a magazine at the age of 25, not 35. And the other thing is, a gender-neutral magazine may be quite difficult to portray colour-wise, because neutral colours are generally quite masculine. But it is possible to do, and Holly has said that she will do a 60-40 split, which is a good idea, because it just means that you will find it easier to write about. The idea of doing the magazine monthly is a lot better than weekly, because you can have a lot more content which is better quality, and it's just a nicer way to do it monthly rather than scavenging for little bits of information to scrap a magazine together every week. Holly's written that having a trustworthy brand image is important for her magazine. This is good because it adds brand loyalty, and if customers have a subscriber service, which she's mentioned, they will have a lot of brand loyalty and repeat purchase, which it's good for the brand. And finally, her magazine article about Lily Bartlett being in a natural setting